I've been combining both since I started.
Yeah.
There was a time where I was focused mainly on calisthenics, and I'll dabble a little bit the weights, but now that I mix both, I'm seeing a lot more muscle gain. Because I'm doing handstand push-ups and shoulder press, your shits are gonna be growing.
You got no choice but to grow.
Yeah.
You ain't got no choice.
You're doing 2 different types of resistance training, so I think
body's
it's
like,
great.
your shoulder got no points, but I guess I'm gonna grow now. I ain't got no choice.
Word. It's like, imagine doing hundreds of push-ups and you got a strong ass bench. Your chest gonna be busting.
Very true.
This happens all the time.
Very true. I mean, I think I've grown a little bit, but I've been staying more lean because of the Crohn stuff.
Yeah.
After a while, if I eat too much, it's like it bloats me, it messes up a little bit. So I like eat a little bit, like a lot, and then I start cut a little bit. I eat a whole bunch, then I cut a little bit. So I just go back and forth. But
for me, I would say 2 meals a day for me is just the right amount. I'm not interested in eating a lot of food.
You do about 2?
I'll eat the way I eat though. I eat, it'll be a big meal and I won't have to eat for like 6-7 hours.
Okay.
Sometimes I'll fast for 12 because I'm just not interested in eating, or I'm not thirsty either.
So you kind of eat when you feel like you
yeah,
feel hungry.
I listen to the body. So I'll wait. But I remember one Christmas dinner. I was with Uzoma and his family.
Yeah.
I was like, no, I'm good. I'm not even hungry. And I was shocked that I wasn't. Because usually, like, yeah, I'm ready to eat. But again, I listen to the body.